Right now, the Chiliz coin cost is exchanging around $0.7724, which is practically 15% down from the last week, and 6.95% up from the most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the negative feeling, Chiliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.53 in 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chiliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chiliz estimate, our top-to-bottom examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, is Chiliz worth purchasing? Could Chiliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with a definite Chiliz cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's specialized examination. Chiliz specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $9. Anyway, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $04 because of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower $10. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Be that as it may, the exhibition of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.5353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of Walk 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected colossal development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the $1.9915 mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight revision. However, later, in November, it arrived at a high of $55. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged a reach somewhere in the range of $29 and $1.93 with a negative strain. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting $1 last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around $19. In 2023, the Chilliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above $54. Presently, it confronted areas of strength for an of $5, while a solid opposition of $11. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected greatest cost, theorized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this cash. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Conquering all obstacles, the Chilliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chilliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was $0.7714 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $49.8125, and the market cap of Chilliz was $685,687,343 with a circling supply of 888 to a 92.4 to 17 CHZ. Chilliz crypto value forecast 2024. CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be $30 and $65. Individually, the most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around $0.2 in light of our Chilliz crypto cost forecast. Chilliz value expectation 2025. As per CHZ cost expectation 2025, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chilliz is set to hurry up with other digital currencies to plainly show up at least cost of $29 and a greatest cost of $42 inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ figure depicts a stunning hopefulness anticipated for the CHZ cost, principally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Chilliz coin value expectation 2026. Violating all limits more than 2026 would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chilliz forecast, upheld by Hardy Savvy Gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around $51 in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $35 and $43 individually. Chilliz forecast 2027. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to the CHZ cost conjecture, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chilliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 0.62. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 0.43 and $53 separately. CHZ Value Forecast 2028. In 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of $0.74 with a base cost of $51. Simultaneously, our Chilliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around $0.62 all year long. Chilliz figure 2029. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market, Chilliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chilliz's cost may handily cross a greatest cost of $482, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chilliz Value Forecast 2030. In view of our CHZ cost expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around $89, with a possible low of $0.73 and a likely high of $105. The Chilliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. According to the Chilliz Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of $13. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $14 with the typical worth of $13. The future cost of Chilliz coin is anticipated at $39 following a year as per our CHZ coin cost forecast. The year 2024 can end with a typical cost of $13 and a base value worth of $12. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $14 according to Chilliz cost expectation. As per our Chilliz cost expectation, in 2024, the cost of CHZ coin is supposed to reach at least value level of $96. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $11 with the typical exchanging cost of $11. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in view of wallet financial backer Chilliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is $959. CHZ can be a high-risk one-year speculation choice as your ongoing venture might be depreciated from now on. Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, in the event that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain, a large number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography and how this could be saddled to bring the diversion area too in a state of harmony. Joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain, Chilliz's extraordinary